I'm doing some chicken and vegetables. It's also vegetarian if you leave the chicken. So for a lot of people, will this be a good and easy recipe? Vegetable pan with chicken stripes. First, the chicken into a Ziploc bag. Actually, I washed my hand. It's very important, special with the chicken. I'll wash my hand again. Here I got some chicken spice I'm using. Teaspoon. Wow. Okay. Put it back in the fridge till we got everything else ready. This is the burner I'm using for my pan. If it runs on full power, it produces 24.5 kilowatt. Would produce a lot of heat, enough to heat up a house in the winter. Here I got my little trolley to transport the gas bottle for the burner. That's the pan. This is made in Turkey. It's a hand-hammered pan. So it's special made for this burner. It's not stainless steel, just steel. But you hear add some sunflower oil. Spread the oil a little bit. Letting it set a little bit so it's not sticking to the pan too much. So it has a nice color now. We're going to take it out. And we got to add it later with the rest. some more oil. Add some cabbage. Zucchini, tomatoes, mushrooms, celery, broccoli, onions, some paprika, and forget the name of it. Carrots. Oh, by the way, and sweet potatoes. Only a little bit. Oh, when I see it, I said far too much for 2 people. Invite some more. So the middle burner is on full power now, because otherwise, well, might have to turn on the second one too. Because you need high temperature if you do vegetable, so they get the color and got a little bit done, but not all the way cooked through. And usually it loses a lot of moisture during frying. We know that from the Asian wok. And also a teaspoon of the spice to the vegetable. It will be a second one. A little bit more spice. Put the chicken back. Don't have the I would call this one ready. Oops. No, live. Oh, the wrong one. Well, this is enough for 4 people. Okay, that's what it looks like. And like I said, you can leave the meat or just use it as add-on to the meat you barbecue. Use some aioli cream. I'm not sure if you can find it in your deli, or sour cream, or both.